The ladybug is ready. Now it's time for us to do some typing. So where can we do the typing work? Not in this application. We can't write over here, children. What we will have to do is we will have to cut and paste it in the Word document. Okay? So how are we going to do that? Easy. Where is the cursor? It's here. Okay? What you have to do is you will have to click on the mouse pad and you'll have to click on the right side. Okay? Over here. The moment you do this, and these options will show up, and can you see this one? Select all. Okay? You have to click on this option, select all. Okay? Once you do this, a dotted line will appear. See the dotted line? Yes. And then if you click on the right side, there are some options that will appear. It says cut. You know what the word cut means. You know what copy means. Yes. And you know what paste means. So let us first copy this ladybug. That means this ladybug will be copied. Okay, this one will stay here and we can paste it in our Word document. Okay, so let's select the option that says copy, and we will have to go and find the Word document, and you know that this is the document that we use for typing. Okay, and see where the cursor is. Okay, and wow, look at my ladybug. You have copied it in the Word document. And do you want to see if it is still in the Paint application? Let us minimize this. Okay, yes, it's still there. Okay, so this is what we are going to do today. Now, if you want to increase the size of your ladybug, you can do it. Okay, so now, so that's the size that I want. Okay, and now it's time for me to type. Okay, so what's the first thing that you are going to do? You will have to write the title and write the date. So the title will come here, yes, on top. And what is the title? The title is Ladybug, Ladybug, and the date today is, what's the date today? The date today is 10th of August 2020. So you can see that the title is mentioned, okay, on the left hand side, and the date is mentioned on the right hand side. I'll just quickly increase the font size so that it will be easy for you to read it. Okay, so now let us write all that we can remember about ladybug or ladybugs. Okay, if you make like 2 or 3 ladybugs, you can paste them on this page as well. Okay, and then the title will be Ladybugs. This is one, that's why I have written Ladybug. Now I want to write a sentence that says this is a ladybug. Simple, easy sentence. Okay, so a sentence will always start with a capital. And look, that's caps lock. Okay, I'll have to press this, and then what's this? My T, and can you see? This is not the capital T, so I am using backspace, and I will press this again and see if it is correct this time. Yes, it is. So I'm going to write this is a ladybug. This, again for finger spacing, I'm going to use the space bar. This is a ladybug, and a full stop. Okay, now I'll have to write about the body parts. It has how many spots? Say 6 spots. It has 2 pairs of wings or 4 wings. Okay, this ladybug has 2 feelers. So this is all I can write about the ladybug that I have drawn today, and I want you all to do the same. Okay, first you are going to draw, okay, and then you are going to select that ladybug. And how are you going to do that? See, you are going to make a right click and then select the option that says select all, and again you are going to either cut it, you can cut it, and you can copy it. Earlier, remember, we had copied it, but this time let's say we cut it. So the ladybug bird or bug is gone, pardon me, and let's paste that ladybug over here. So we will have to paste it. Okay, see, it has been pasted. So now we have two ladybugs on the same page. So the title will change. It will become Ladybugs. Okay, and now we can write the sentences for the 2 ladybugs. Okay, and if you want, you can change the color as well. Okay, and you can write that ladybugs are orange, blue, red and yellow in color, or whatever you want to